When a company is ready to be sold or knows that it will be sold in the future, there are many things that they should be doing. As mentioned in other videos that we have at the GNS Law website, there are two languages that you will speak at the sale. First, you need to speak the financial language. This is your accounting. You should know what a quality of earnings report is. You should know every single number in your company should be good. So you should be running valuations. You should be running reports on your own with your CPAs before you go to sell. And the second language, and one of the most important languages, and the one that if you don't know how to speak it will stop your sale, is the legal language. And that basically what it is you need to have a solid legal foundation. Because if you don't have a solid legal foundation, your deal may not go through. Why? Because in the process of selling a company, you will be basically going through a due diligence process, and a due diligence process will review both the financials and the legal. That is the foundation of your business. Because by the time you have an offer from a buyer, obviously it is assumed that your business is good. This is the business we want. But are the financials and the legal operations good? And so to prepare, get your financials ready by a professional who has done M&A, and get your legal situation ready by a professional who does M&A every single day. And that basically is as a GNS Law. Now, what could you be doing to get those legal issues? It's not just calling the lawyer when you need to review a contract or when you have a problem. It's a lot more than that. Basically, you need to be in a position where the entire legal infrastructure of your business is taken care of. So the same way that you have a marketing process, a sales process, any other process, you need to have legal processes that are building a strong foundation. So when you are ready to sell, you sell for good money and you're not leaving money on the table because the buyer says, oh, you have this lawsuit, you have this other thing, you have liabilities, you're in violation of the law, and this is going to cost me X amount, and I'm going to cut that amount from the purchase price, or say you're not even worth selling. And unfortunately, we see this so much in the small and mid-sized company because those are the companies that usually don't have an attorney on a day-to-day basis. These companies don't have an attorney as an employee. And when they use an attorney, they call the attorney only for either problems or review my contract. Rarely those companies will call an attorney to actually create a legal infrastructure that will pass the sale test. So get ready to sell your company. Consult with us about how we can help you create that legal infrastructure. So when you show up at the negotiating table, you're showing up with strength and not with a worry about the things that you don't know.